Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here is the problem. A conveyor belt is moving at 4 meters per second. The coefficient of static friction between the conveyor belt and a 10-kilogram package is mu sub s equals 0.2. Determine the shortest time the belt can stop so that the package does not slide on the belt. Now let us work through the solution step by step. The conveyor belt decelerates from 4 meters per second to rest. Friction between the belt and the 10-kilogram package is the only horizontal force on the package. To avoid sliding, the package must slow down at exactly the same rate as the belt, so the required friction force must stay within the static friction limit. Key given values are initial speed 4 meters per second, final speed 0, mass 10 kilograms, coefficient of static friction 0.2, and gravitational acceleration 9.81 meters per second squared. The normal force equals the weight of the package. 10 kilograms times 9.81 meters per second squared equals 98.1 newtons. Multiplying by the coefficient of static friction, 0.2, gives a maximum static friction force of 19.62 newtons. This is the largest horizontal force the belt surface can apply to the package without causing it to slip. Applying Newton's second law, friction is the only horizontal force, so negative F sub s equals m times a. For the shortest stopping time, we use the maximum static friction. Substituting gives negative 19.62 equals 10 times a sub max, so a sub max equals negative 1.962 meters per second squared. The magnitude of the maximum deceleration is 1.962 meters per second squared. Using the kinematic equation, final velocity equals initial velocity plus acceleration times time. Setting final velocity to 0, initial velocity to 4 meters per second, and acceleration to negative 1.962 meters per second squared, we get 0 equals 4 plus negative 1.962 times t. Solving for t gives t equals 4 divided by 1.962, which equals approximately 2.04 seconds. To verify, if the belt stopped in less than 2.04 seconds, the deceleration required would exceed 1.962 meters per second squared, meaning the needed friction force would surpass the maximum static friction of 19.62 newtons, and the package would slide. Therefore, the minimum stopping time is confirmed to be 2.04 seconds. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.